Hey everyone, Eric with the Blue Collar Nation podcast and morningtechmeeting.com. And I want to talk to you guys today about a class that myself and Bruce Deloach, IICRC instructor, are putting on October 6th from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern. Bruce and I were at the experience last week, and we did a presentation with Larry from the podcast as well about a class that we're calling the Profits of Profit. And what that really means is the fastest way to grow your company and to get all the things that you want out of it: money, profit, a good time, keeping employees, gaining employees, are all to do with culture, but not in the froofy way, the culture stuff, in a way that is, important and impactful to your business to win, to be competitive. And, that's what we did at my company before we sold it. And that's what Bruce did at his before he sold his. So we are going to have some cool stuff that comes along with this class as well. And you're going to come away with a workbook. You're going to come away with an action plan. You're going to come away with a way to implement these things that we did to build our companies up to the point where we sold them. And also, you're going to get a month free, $129 value from morningtechmeeting.com. And then Bruce is going to give $198 off any IICRC class. So basically what we're trying to do is make this pay for itself. And in addition to that, Howard Partridge is going to throw in a free ticket for anybody that signs up for an 8-week virtual course on systems building, which is a lot of what we're going to talk about, building out those business systems when we do the profits class. So Profits for Profit, normal price $429. We're having a show special kind of on the heels of the experience, $299, but you get all that free stuff. So really the investment is nothing. And look, if you can't make October 6th, you can still sign up at $299. We'll put you in the next class. Or if even by noon on that day, you don't think it's worth it, we'll give you your money back. We want you to sit in on this. So $299, just click below, click on the link, and we hope to see you there. Thanks a lot.